My name is Fatima Siddiqa. I am studying grade 2. I am going to give presentation about 2D and 3D shapes. I would like begin with 2D shapes. This is 2D shapes. This is square, triangle and rectangle. Next, circle and pentagon and hexagon. This is 2D shapes. Shall we go 3D shapes? This is cuboid. Cuboid has 8 corners, 6 faces, 12 edges, and cube has 8 corners, 6 faces, and 12 edges. Cuba and cube has same. This is cone. Cone has 1 face, this is pyramid. Pyramid has 5 sides, 5 corners, 5 faces. Cylinder. Cylinder has round and 2 faces, up and down.